The ivNow warming module accommodates fluids packaged in half, 1, 2, and 3-liter bags. The appliance should be plugged into an appropriate hospital-grade electrical receptacle. Turn on the power switch located on the left side of the appliance. The control display will light up when the unit is on. Activate the warmer by placing an IV fluid bag on the warming cradle. Be sure that the bag touches the sensor switch in the middle of the metal plate. The bag must depress this switch in order for the unit to warm the fluid properly. A single dash will scroll around the display for 5 seconds while the unit is determining the current IV fluid temperature. Then the sensor will calculate the appropriate heating curve to heat the fluid to the warmer's set point temperature. The warming plate will not begin to heat up until a bag is placed in the ivNow. The amount of time it takes to warm the fluid to the set point will vary slightly depending on the starting fluid temperature and the ambient room temperature. The green status indicator light will turn on when the fluid reaches or is within 2 degrees Celsius below the set point temperature. To see how long the fluid has been held at the set temperature, press and hold the status key for 2 seconds. The timer will stop recording after 30 days. The time a fluid is held at temperature will remain in memory until a new bag is placed in the module. The word date will flash intermittently when a bag has been in a warming unit for 14 days or longer. If held for 14 days or longer, remove fluid from cavity and check the expiration date. Discard the fluid if expired. With the power turned on and the warming cradle empty, hold the status button for 5 seconds to see the current temperature scale, either Fahrenheit or Celsius. While the scale is displayed, press the status key again to toggle between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Wait until 4 dashes display on the control to load a bag on the cradle. If the warmer fails to heat, is on but display and lights do not illuminate, or if error messages are displayed, see the troubleshooting guide in the operation manual. Inspect the fluid and discard if necessary. If the error continues, contact your service representative. Turn the unit off and disconnect it from the electrical outlet. Then wipe the metal, plastic, control surfaces, and sensor switch of the warmer with a cloth dampened with isopropyl alcohol to clean and disinfect the unit. Avoid the use of abrasive or corrosive cleaning compounds or contact with the electrical connections and electrical components. Wipe unit dry with a clean cloth. Using compressed air, aim the tip of the can around the edge of the sensor switch in the middle of the warming plate to blow any dust or debris out from between the sensor and the unit.